Okay, today we'll be looking at this Pennzoil oil filter, number HPZ-173. And a viewer whose name is John Parada from Yonkers, New York, sent me this oil filter. Thanks, John. And this oil filter fits his 2018 Chevy Impala. Yep, the one with the 3.6 liter V6 engine. And he told me that he got this oil filter on Amazon. Let's open up this oil filter and see what's inside. So let's get started.
This is for you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration here.
Okay, let's start with the box because it has a lot of information on it. We look over here. We'll see it says PTFE sealing gasket, silicone anti-drain back valve, synthetic blended 2-ply gradient density filter media, 99% efficiency. If we look right here closely, we'll see at 30 microns. Okay, let's open her up, see what she looks like. Box is a little rough shape, but date code F04N1602. Look here. Made in USA of domestic and imported components. This is a sticker. She has 7 elongated inlet holes. Looks to be a silicone drain back valve. Metal core louvers. Bypass valve down below. Let's see the threads. There's about 3 grooves there. And this is the PTF coated gasket, which is on here pretty good. I already started taking it off. But still don't want to come off too good. There it goes. Yeah, look at that. Nice and thick also. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, let's cut this filter open. See what it looks like inside. Be right back. Okay, the filter weighs 261 grams. And let's check out the base plate. Base plate weighs 113 grams. And here we got the PTF coated gasket, which is nice and thick. And it fits on this base plate really nice. Nice and snug in there. Yeah, it's a nice gasket. You got 7 elongated holes, so it looks like it'd give a good oil flow. Could use like 1 extra groove there, but that's not bad. Yeah, this base plate's pretty good. And we got silicone drain back valve, which is nice. It fits over these holes really good. Look at that. That looks good. And the filter element, 79 grams. We got metal end caps, bypass valve down here, glued seam, and I counted 60 pleats. They're nicely spaced except for just right here at the seam, which is usually the case. But just like on the box said, it has a micron rating of 99% at 30 microns. And it's a synthetic blend filter media. Okay, in the can, we have a stamped leaf spring, which weighs 7 grams. And the can weighs 57 grams. Let's get the thickness on this can. 0.45 millimeters thick. It's about average, 0.4 to 0.5. That feels good. Looks good inside. Filter media is 2.57 inches wide. Yeah, pleats are pretty deep, so it should be fairly long. There's a little bit of stuff in there. See that? Looks like there's something in there. Alright, well I say we cut this filter open, stretch this media out, and see how long it is. Be right back. Okay, here's the filter all stretched out. And she's 48.5 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness on this filter media. 1.07 millimeters thick. That's pretty thick. Take a look at it up close. Let's take a look at this under a microscope. Okay, so we got a nice seam here. Stayed together nicely after I cut it. Synthetic blend media, 99% at 30 microns. Let's look at the rest of the filter. You gotta love the color. This will brighten up any engine. Yeah, the can's nice. It's got a nice thickness to it. You got a nice metal core here. This is all nice and strong. Bypass valve down below here. Silicone and drain back valve with a nice base plate. Nice gasket. Yeah, it's not a bad filter. I think John said he got this for like $4 something on Amazon. I think it's comparable to the Supertech MP oil filters. And again, I want to thank John for sending me this oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. The filter media weighs 18 grams.